All right, so this photo has 5 massive composition mistakes I see photographers make all the time. And if you can't spot the 5 mistakes on your own, then you'll never create perfect compositions or images in general. So it's my goal to assist as many photographers as possible to spot these mistakes, fix them, and create amazing photos in the process. Now, the thing is, all the information you need to create perfect compositions every single time is available at your fingertips. You could watch endless free content right here on YouTube, read blog posts, and more. But if that's all you needed, you'd already create perfect compositions. Now, here's the secret. It's not the information or you. Creating perfect compositions is like learning a foreign language. It's difficult and can be frustrating if you don't know how to correct your mistakes, and having a system in place to guide you makes it easier and faster to learn. The same is true with photography. Now, it took me 10 years to develop a photography system to get consistent, perfect compositions, and I want you to have it as well. So my photographic system reveals the secrets to perfect compositions, like the 1 composition rule that you should never break, that includes the 6 most common mistakes I see and how to avoid them. It also includes the 1 question you must answer before using any composition technique, and how to approach your next photo session to get the perfect composition, plus how a specific song from Sesame Street can make you a better photographer. And I have 3 time-limited bonuses that will drastically improve your photos. Now, to get my perfect composition system, use the link below to take advantage of the time-limited early bird special via the link below. Thanks for listening and have an awesome day.